Hey, what's up, AMP coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about AMP coin, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the latest price prediction, the latest price update, and I'm talking about the reality of AMP coin. What's the reality, guys? Let me show you. Right now, the latest price of AMP coin in the market is about 0.050406 USD dollars. That is the right now price of AMP coin in dollars. Other side, if you talk about the changes, the price changes of AMP coin, so now the last 1 hour changes is about positive 0.75%. Last 1 day changes is about negative 2.37%, and last 1 week change is about negative 17.85%, guys. The price changes is completely going in the loss. The price very badly decrease, guys. But in the latest situation, the price is positive. Let me show you the price changes. You can see here from a price chart. I'm feeling very sad after looking this chart. This chart tells us that completely the holders are completely in a bad situation. Negative 18.25% the price decrease, and 0.071801 USD dollar is the highest price of an AMP coin, guys. So now my prediction is that, guys, that after 1 week there is again possibilities that the price will jump. After 1 week, possibilities that the price will jump. What you think? What is your prediction? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.